Right, so quick unboxing video for the wireless ME by Rode. That's the box. So we're just gonna quickly do an unboxing video. I'll do a review a little bit later on once I've had a chance to kind of use it. So what we've got. So you've got like a little pouch, little carry case. Like a little padded case with a Velcro closed, got a little Rode tag on it as well. So that's that. You've got the TX and the RX. They look pretty well made. I'm assuming that's the mic. This one looks a little bit out of alignment actually, this one does, but we'll see how that one goes anyway. So that's the RX and the TX. You've got the little regulatory and safety guide. So a couple of stickers, a couple of Rode stickers, and you've got the lightning USB-C to lightning cable. Got a little box here as well with some accessories. I've got little fluffy mic covers. There's two of those. What else have we got in there? We've got USB-C to USB-C cable. Then you've got these as well. You've got the 1, 2, 3, 4 pole to 3 pole jack to jack cable, and 3 pole to 3 pole 3.5mm jack to jack. And that's your lot. That's basically what's in the wireless ME box. I'll do a little review on these later on. I'm planning on using them plugged into the action cams that I've got. So we'll see how they perform with the new mics. Thanks for watching. If you do like the videos, check out some other reviews and unboxing videos, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Cheers.